Housekeeping tasks for incoming units. Housekeeping tasks for incoming units are essential tasks that need to be completed when a unit is coming back into stock or is being purchased for the first time. With this feature, you can now get housekeeping tasks generated for these incoming units. If we head to Housekeeping Activity Types, to this list, we now have some additional tick box fields. The first one here allows us to create for purchase receipt. This means we can enable this clean to be generated against any unit that has been purchased. We also have create for part exchange. So this would apply to any unit that has been bought in via a part exchange. We also have one for create for buyback. So when a unit is bought back from a customer, a housekeeping task can be generated to clean that unit. And lastly, we have create for repossession. So when the unit comes back into stock, there is a clean already scheduled to be completed. To demonstrate this, if we head to our purchase order and I receive my unit, and if I head to my housekeeping activities, see a new job created for my new unit.